Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to be show you how to import your contact list to GoHighLevel CRM. So in step-by-step process, if you are an existing CRM, if you are having any other existing CRM, not like GoHighLevel, or else like if you are having your own GoHighLevel software, so this video is going to be help you how to import bulk contacts to your GoHighLevel CRM in step-by-step process. So without wasting any time, so let's dive into the practical mode and show you how to import n number of contacts, or if you are having an existing or else any other platform like Kajabi or else whatever it may be, any kind of CRMs, you can import all these leads to GoHighLevel CRM and you can automate that process also. So very simple. So I'm going into my HighLevel account and I will show you step by step process. Very simple. So if you wanted to import already existing data, if your client data, or else like if you are an agency owner, if you wanted to do this process to your customers or something like that, you can use this process and you can import bulk context and you can automate this process also. So very simple. You need to go to the contacts. Okay, so you need to go to the contacts and you need to choose like import contacts. Okay, so I will show you how the sample file looks like, and you will get some clarity how to segregate the data in step by step process to use all data in the right manner. So if there is a mapping field and all, so I don't want you to be confused. I wanted to show you the exact practical method. Okay, so first I wanted to go to the Excel sheet and I will show you how the sample data looks like. Okay, so hope you can able to see this data. So first you need to segregate all the data if you are having any existing client data. So this is the format and you can download that sample file from contact list also. Same thing I downloaded. I will show you that process also. So first you need to set up one CSV file. Very simple. Okay, so you need to list down all the contact numbers of your customers and customer mail ID if you are having it. Okay, so first name, last name and business name, and if you don't have the business name you can skip it also. So source where you are, because it's like organic leads or somewhere else you are getting leads, right? So existing, so you need to have source. If you don't have, you can delete this format also. So additional any kind of information, and main tag is most important. Okay, so if you have any notes, you can add on like additional phone numbers or something like that, but default you need to must have one mail ID, one phone number, and one full name or first name or last name, and one mail ID, and one tag option is very good enough to capture all the leads in mapping field. Okay, so this is how you need to segregate all the existing leads, set up all the leads in one CSV format, and you can import it and you can use this format. Hope you got some clarity. So I will show you how to download this sample file also. So right now I will show you how to download this sample files and set up all the existing leads in one go. Okay, so very simple, my dear friends. Okay, so you see like you just click on like contacts. Okay, so you need to go to the GoHighLevel sub account or else your client account, whatever it may be. Go to the contacts and you can see like import contacts. You need to click on import contacts and click on next option. Okay, so you can download this file also. You can download this sample file and you can segregate what exactly I shown previously. You can upload all the contacts there. Okay, so if you segregated all the data in step by step process, so what exactly the plan you are doing to like 1,000 contacts or 10,000 contacts, you need to set that CSV file first, and you need to click on this cloud option. You need to set up this cloud option and you need to select that sample file. Okay, so you need to select that sample file. It will be selected and you need to click on next option. Okay, you need to click on next option, and we need to map the exact data like tags and all. Okay, so created contact list, enter phone number and email ID, updated contacts list. So everything is mapped what exactly we are having. So if it is not yet mapped, you need to select randomly. So you need to select that manually and you need to select that face. So everything needs to be mapped like this. So if you are having any additional information, you need to map all these pointers. Okay, so then you need to click on next option. So you can update your contact list name and everything. So you can choose everything mapping. So you are importing like a bulk kind of things. So this is what the major important update I just wanted to be explain you. Add imported contacts to a workflow. So I don't recommend, if you are planning to import like thousands of contacts or 10,000s of existing CRM data. So you can add this to the already existing automation workflow. So because see, unnecessarily you're sending a lot of emails, lot of SMS to your clients. If you're having any existing workflow, if you add them into this workflow, so it will make some conflict in your account. So I don't recommend So to manage all the data in CRM, so you can use it in the drip mode, and you can use into that workflows, and later on you can use it. Okay, so if you have any existing tags also, you can map it. So if you are using like thousands of data importing like bulk, so I don't recommend add them to the workflow. Just leave it as it is and update this name, and you can start import the bulk data. So very simple, and you can do this process, and you can verify these things. And you just concern, you need to confirm that concern. Okay, so you need to change it, and there is a checkbox. I confirm all the contacts this to import have to consider from us. You need to check this checkbox and start bulk importing. So all the existing data now mapped perfectly, and getting into this sub account. So like this, you need to map all these pointers, and you can see the bulk actions. So whether that progress is completed or not, you can see the processing sample file is updating. So you can click on the show status. So how many leads in that file has updated successfully. So what exactly the tracking, you can track it. Okay, so you need to wait some time. So it will be automatically fluctuate all the data. So just wanted to be wait for some time, and automatically your data will be added successfully, and you can check that status in the bulk action, and successfully it updated. Very interesting, very simple, and it's very powerful. And later on you can filter data, and you can use the drip mode, and you can add them into the workflow. So 100 contacts or 200 contacts like that, and you can automate your business too. Interesting, it is a very powerful tool. So if you are watching this time, if you are not having any, if you are having any other existing CRM, if you are planning to switch to Go High Level, so Go High Level is the best platform. uh, you can start like 14 days free trial. It's a purely white label software. If you are like a digital marketing agency or something, like if you are planning to start your own digital marketing agency, so Go High Level is offering you the 14 days free trial. You can check that referral link in the chat box or description. So you can sign up for 14 days free trial. And if you wanted to switch from one software to another software, you can use this process, and you can grab it. So it's very, and I created in this YouTube channel in Go High Level Skills all the detailed videos, how to set your agency, how to start, and everything from scratch, step by step videos are there in this channel. So please go and check out those videos, and you can success too. So all the best. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.